I love this bike, but this right here is the worst part of the TLR. But we fixing that today. What's good? Welcome back to Two Wheel Love Garage. For a bike this aggressive, why does this have to be like this? This right here, why does this have to be like this? Why? Suzuki built a monster in the 90s. This bike is a monster, but the tail end, this right here did not age well at all. Look at that. This is a fix for that. If this works the way I think it will, this Undertray right here, if this works the way I think it will, it's gonna tighten up everything. It's already got the LED bulbs in it, instructions on it, stickers on it, made in America. If this works like I think it will, it's gonna tighten up everything. It's gonna change the whole stance of this bike. Stay tuned. Okay, we got the seat off. Now we gotta get that rear fender cowl off. Rear fender cowl off, plastics off. Fender delete time. Time to get rid of this old monstrosity right here. Time to get rid of this. So I marked the X right here and right here, and these are going to be our mounting points to our plastics. So let's get them drilled out. So now we have those holes drilled out, one right here and one right here. We had to take the Yoshi slip-on off so we can get clearance. We should be good to go now. Let's get it. Having to cut the original Undertray right there, and here's the piece that I cut off of it right here. And I cut a lot of it off because I needed all that clearance. I wanted all that clearance right there. So now we just get it all buttoned up, get all the wires out the way, get this snapped down, this finish tightening this down, this right here down, finish buttoning all this up right here, get all these wires cleaned up, get those LEDs back there swapped out. I do apologize for the noise in the background. They cutting some trees down over there, but as you guys can see, these wires are going to the blinkers. This one and this yellow and black one goes to the blinkers. These go to the blinkers. No, these go to the flush mounts, so we don't need those. We can clip those. Got all that button back up underneath the seat. I can put the seat back on now. But just let me let y'all look at this right here, man. Oh man. And I gotta get that muffler put back on there. Let's zoom in on that thing. That thing is mean. Ooh, it's mean. Look at that. Ooh wee. Shout out to my guy Mark for this, man. Mark, I appreciate everything, man. Hey, you see the piece I cut on the ground right there, right? I cut a little bit more than your mechanic did because I wanted to make sure I had enough room. So I cut way more. As you can see it right there. Yeah, I cut way more, but look at that thing, man. Ooh, that sun is blind. It's just, oh man, look up underneath there. Oh man, look at that. I even got my underglow light under there. That thing is mean, man. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Boom. Let's get her back together. Let's get it back together, guys. Let me let you guys see what it looks like with the lights on. I haven't connected the blinkers yet, but we'll get it. Oh man, that thing is sick. Oh man, that thing is sick. Ooh-wee. Now that's how it's supposed to look right there. That's how it's supposed to look right there, guys. Oh man, look at that. Look how mean she look. Ooh, oh man. That's how you bring the 1980s bike, I mean a bike 1990s bike, 98, and make it modernized. Okay, we got it buttoned up now, so y'all can see. Got the flashers in there hooked up. We got the seat back on, and we about to put the man, this bike is mean now, man, because of that. That changed everything right there. That changed the whole stance of this bike. Here it is. There it is. The undertail is now complete. Wait, man, look at that there, man. Woo. Oh man, that thing is looking mean. This is how it should have came out of the factory right here. This is how it should have came out of the factory right here. Look at that. Oh man, that cleaned up so good, and it wasn't that hard either. Ooh-wee, man. Oh man, I'm loving this. I love the bike even more. Now look at that stance. It looks so mean. Oh man, look at that. Look at that stance. Let's cold start it right quick. Mean. She looks so mean. Look at her. Oh wee. Look mean now. She was sounding mean already before, now she looks even meaner. Look at her. Oh man, ain't she beautiful? Ain't she's a beauty? She is so beautiful. Look at her. Oh my god. Oh man. Shout out to my guy Mark. Mark is the one that turned me on to this rear undertail, the Undertray. Man, this thing is a beast now, man. Look how it looks. Look how it looks. Oh man. Oh man, I love it even more now. I just fell in love with the bike all over again. Man, y'all need to try this. If y'all got a TLR, this is the mod. Both blinkers work. So got the flush mounts in the front and the LEDs in the back. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That is how the TLR should have left the factory, guys. With that Undertray, just like that. Just like that. That's how it should have left the factory, right there. Oh man, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. There she goes, man. There she goes. Oh man, look at that. See the little pigtail I got hanging out right there? I keep it on the tender now. Shout out to Amazon for that No Code Genius 1. The No Code Genius 1. That's the one I got. 1 amp. Thing is amazing. monster. Now this thing is crazy now, man. Oh man, I can't stop looking at it. I can't stop looking at it now. It makes you want to look at it even more now because they don't have that big bulky tail light back there, that big fat monstrosity of a tail light. Now it looks more mean, more aggressive, more sporty, you know. Look at that. It actually looked like it came like that. Oh man. Let's give her a rev. Think, man, does this modernize the bike? Does this make it look more modern? Does this make it look more modern or what? What do you guys think? You think I should next up I'll probably be refreshing all the paint on it. I may even go with a different color scheme. I'm not sure, but I like the blue and white. I like the blue and white, but I might go with a different color scheme. I don't know yet. What do you guys think? Drop me some in the comments, man, and let me know what you guys think. If I should change the paint and what colors y'all think I should change it to. Man, this thing is sick now. This thing is sick. Oh man, this thing is crazy mean. It's meaner, way meaner than what it was. If you ride or wrench, you in the right place. Subscribe to Two Wheel Love Garage, and I'll catch you on the next one.